Hi friend, this is Tomal once again. Today I'm going to discuss regarding the CUI. What is CUI? CUI means character user interface. And how will I? Let's see how is it or how it works. Let's go to command prompt. How will you open it? Press Window and R and give CMD. Write CMD. Press enter. This is your command user interface. Most commonly, the command prompt that you can say in Windows XP or your all the 8, 8.1, and this is the thing. So through here, what we do is we used to see all the things through the help of command. Like I want to see, suppose I want to see uh, in this particular drive D Giri. What is the sorry means what are the uh, directories and drives presents, or what are the folders presents, what are the files present. So let's give the command dir. So this is all about the thing dir. These are all dir means these are all folders. Okay, this is a particular file, log file. This is all two files are there. It's indicating 16 directories of size. These are there. So now the fact is why I am saying it as CUI mode. CUI mode means character user interface mode. This is the interface. The user is using this particular interface to see whatever be the result he is obtaining after giving this particular command called dir. Now here it is called character user interface because see, with the help of each character like D, I, R, these three characters combine each other to form that particular word dir, and then with the help of that cd dot dot cd dot dot, and I am giving dir command. So it is showing me the amount of space occupied and amount of space free in the C drives. So this is done with the help of these characters D, I, R, which combine each other with each other to form the dir command. So that's why this mode is called CUI mode or character user interface mode. So I think I have given a satisfied answer for my user. So this is all for the session. My name is Tamal Das. Email is dastamal6@gmail.com. Call is 8420879158. We have a website called www.prcomp.org. Thank you for sharing, subscribing, and liking my video. Thank you.